Okay. Hello everyone. Warm good evening to everyone present over here. Today I'm going to give a very short speech on this occasion of Women's Day. I'm very proud being a woman and a daughter, a mother, at the same time daughter of this country as well. So I feel very proud that I must do something for this country. But I would never forget the contribution many women have done for our country. So I'm greatly inspired by Sindhutai Setpal. The reason I'm very inspired by her is she has always contributed, though she has come out of penny and has nothing in hand, still she has always given her best to the people. So I just wanted to share her life history with you all. There are so many women, I was getting confused whom to choose, because I'm so happy that women has contributed their best in every part of life. Every part of life. Yeah, so I'm very happy about it. But when it comes to generosity, kindness and helping nature, the first person who comes into my mind is no one but Sindhutai Setpal. So if you see her history, she was born on 14th of November 1972 in a very small village, Varda, that is in Pune. And she was raised in a very poor house where parents got her married when she was just 10 years old. So at that moment she had no other option but to get married to the person 20 years older than her almost, and he was 30 at that time. She got conceived, and when she was just 11-year-old, she gave birth to a girl, and at that moment she was tortured very badly by her family members and she was thrown out of the family. At that time she went to her maternal house. Even her maternal people couldn't accept her. They said you have to either live or die, but in your in-laws house, not here. Without any option, she started begging. First, initially she thought that I would commit suicide, but then she didn't do that, and she started begging so that she can fill her tummy and her daughter's need, like that. Things started off, one idea struck her mind, that was, let me do something for the society. Whatever I am facing, someone else should not face. She felt she is an orphan, and any orphan in this world should never be left alone. So she started a small idea where anyone who is without mom, without dad, without parents or homeless, so she will give them food, clothing, shelter. So of course it is not possible because she herself didn't have a penny in her hand. So she decided that I'll beg more. The more I beg, the more I get the food and I can serve the people. She started that contribution almost 30 years back, and today, if you won't believe, she is called mother of not 1, 2 or 3 kids, but 1,400 kids throughout Maharashtra. And people call her mother. The way she has contributed to the society, no orphan must say that I have no parents. This is the contribution of Sindhutai Setpal, and great lady. She is absolutely illiterate, nothing in her hand, but still she never stopped herself to progress in the country, for the development of the country. So being a woman, I'm feeling very proud, and I also feel before I die, I must contribute something for this society, so that everyone can feel that yes, I have done something at least for my society. So I just wanted to thank everyone for the opportunity you have given me to come and speak on this honorable occasion of Women's Day, and I feel very proud, and I feel we are the strongest personality in human history. So let us never feel weakened or any kind of depression that we won't be able to do. Everything in this world is possible. Only one step is required, that yes, I will do. So I will really thank Mr. Ashok Guru and Neha and Sunil sir and then Dinesh for giving an opportunity. Thank you so much.